Welcome, prompt engineers! Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of crafting the perfect prompt. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll walk away with powerful techniques to get exactly what you want from any AI. Let's start with the absolute foundation: clarity and specificity. Vague prompts get vague results. Instead of asking for a story about a hero, try a short story about a reluctant hero, a former space pirate, who must save a colony from a cosmic storm using only their wits and a broken-down starship. See the difference? We've added a character archetype, a backstory, a conflict, and constraints. This level of detail gives the AI a rich canvas to work with. Let's break it down further. Think about the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. Who is the subject? A space pirate. What are they doing? Saving a colony. When? During cosmic storm. Where? On a remote colony. Why? Because they are the only one who can. Answering these questions in your prompt is a surefire way to increase its effectiveness. Next up, context is king. The AI doesn't know your audience, your desired tone, or the purpose of the content unless you tell it. Are you writing a formal business report? A casual blog post? Or a witty social media update? Specify it! For example, explain the concept of photosynthesis in a fun and engaging tone for a 5th grade science class. This is much better than just explain photosynthesis. You can set the tone as professional, humorous, empathetic, academic, whatever fits your need. The context frames the AI's response, ensuring the language and style are perfectly aligned with your goals. Now for a pro-level technique: providing examples. This is also known as few-shot prompting. By giving the AI a few examples of the input-output format you desire, you train it on the fly. Let's say you want to generate product descriptions in a specific style. You could prompt, create a product description for a new coffee blend. Follow this format: asterisk, asterisk, name, asterisk, asterisk, product name, asterisk, asterisk, tasting notes, asterisk, asterisk, flavor profile, asterisk, asterisk, origin, asterisk, asterisk, country region. Here is an example: asterisk, asterisk, name, asterisk, asterisk, sunrise bold, asterisk, asterisk, tasting notes, asterisk, asterisk, dark chocolate, cherry, and a hint of smoke, asterisk, asterisk, origin, asterisk, asterisk, Colombia. Now, when you ask it to create a description for your new Midnight Silk blend, it will follow your structure precisely. This is incredibly powerful for tasks requiring consistent formatting. Speaking of format, you must explicitly define your desired output. Do you want a paragraph, a bulleted list, a JSON object, a markdown table, or a Python script? Tell the AI, for instance, list the top 5 benefits of remote work. Provide the output as a numbered list. Or, for more technical tasks, generate a JSON object representing a user with the fields ID, name, email, and ISAC. Without this instruction, the AI has to guess, and its guess might not match your needs, forcing you to do extra work later. Be a director, not a spectator. Command the format you need! Finally, the secret weapon of every great prompt engineer: iteration. Your first prompt is rarely your last. Think of it as a conversation. You provide a prompt, the AI gives a response, and you refine your prompt based on that output. Was the tone slightly off? Adjust the contextual instructions. Did it miss a key detail? Add more specificity! Don't be afraid to experiment, tweak, and combine techniques. For example, you might start with a simple prompt, then add a role-playing element like, "You are a world-class travel blogger. Write an exciting intro to a post about visiting Tokyo." Then, you might refine it further by adding negative constraints, like do not mention sushi or anime. Each iteration gets you closer to the perfect result. It's a cycle of prompting, analyzing, and refining. So, to recap, be clear and specific. Provide rich context. Use examples to guide the AI. Define your output format, and never stop iterating. By mastering these 5 principles, you'll unlock the full potential of AI and transform your ideas into reality with precision and flair. Now go on and create something amazing.